Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by using an administrator account. This is required to change firewall policies. Once signed in, temporarily disable any third-party antivirus because it often locks Windows Firewall settings. Next, press Windows plus R, type Services, MSC, and open the Services console. Locate Windows Defender Firewall and Diagnostic Policy Service. Make sure their startup type is automatic, and then start each service to clear transient locks. This initial reset often resolves permission blocks before you now edit persistent settings safely. First, export the registry keys related to firewall. H-key local machine /system, /current control set /services, /shared access, and H-key local machine /software, /policies, /Microsoft /Windows Firewall. Backing up prevents damage. Then open gpedit, MSC, and inspect computer configuration, right arrow administrative templates, right arrow network connections, right arrow Windows Defender Firewall. Set any configured policy. You finish by repairing system integrity and network components. Run sfc/scano, and then dism/online/cleanupimage/restore health to fix corrupted system files that block settings. Next, reset the network stack with netch winsock reset and netch int IP reset, then reboot. Once restarted, try changing firewall settings. If it still fails, re-enable antivirus temporarily, then check its logs. If necessary, create a new local admin account and test there. This isolates profile corruption as the cause.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.